Welcome back. Today we're looking at this problem. 6 squared plus 8 divided by 4 times 2. Because this expression mixes exponents, addition, division, and multiplication, people often fall into two common traps. Let's look at the mistakes before solving it properly. The first common mistake happens when people calculate the exponent as 36, and then immediately add 8 to get 44. Then they divide 44 by 4 to get 11, and multiply by 2 to get 22. But adding before dividing and multiplying directly breaks the order of operations. Another trap happens when people multiply 4 times 2 first to get 8, believing multiplication always outranks division. Then 8 divided by 8 gives 1, leading to 36 plus 1 equals 37. But this is also wrong because division and multiplication share equal priority and must be done from left to right. According to PEMDAS, we evaluate the exponents first. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which equals 36. Substituting 36 in leaves us with 36 plus 8 divided by 4 times 2. Next, division and multiplication outrank addition. Moving strictly from left to right, we divide 8 by 4 first. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, giving us 36 plus 2 times 2. Step 3. Multiplication takes priority over addition. So we multiply 2 by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now our expression simplifies to 36 plus 4. Step 4. Add 36 and 4 together. 36 plus 4 equals 40. So our true final answer for question 1 is 40. Now let's solve our second problem. 5 minus 2 times open parentheses 6 minus 3 close parentheses. Let's see the mistake that leads people to the answer 9 before finding the correct solution. Many people mistakenly subtract 5 minus 2 first to get 3. Then they solve the parentheses to get 3, multiplying 3 times 3 to get 9. But subtracting before resolving parentheses and multiplying is a direct violation of PEMDAS. Step 1. According to PEMDAS, we must evaluate what's inside the parentheses first. 6 minus 3 equals 3. This simplifies our expression down to 5 minus 2 times 3. Step 2. Multiplication outranks subtraction. So we multiply 2 by 3 next. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we're left with the final subtraction, 5 minus 6. Step 3. Perform the subtraction, 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 equals negative 1. So our true final answer for question 2 is negative 1.